Hi, today we're talking about sales report and we're going to understand how we can create sales report PDF files completely on automation. As you can see, this is a simple sales report Google document template which has been created in front of you. And I'm going to use this simple Google document as a source of template file along with a sales report Notion database which I have created over here. And we'll be automatically generating a PDF file one by one for every record of this Notion database with the help of this Google document as the template file. So what we'll be doing is we'll be using this Google document template file and we'll be using this Notion database. We'll link both the things and we'll generate PDF files for every record of this Notion database. For this, we need to head over to PDFOutput.com. This is the website which will help us create the entire automation process. Click on Get Started and simply continue with your own Google account. Choose the particular account which you're going to use and make sure you enable this checkbox, which is very much important for getting the PDFs on automation. So this checkbox must be enabled. Click on continue and you will land up on this page where you need to start adding the Notion database to begin with. So click on add Notion database, click on connect to Notion and simply copy this database title which you have on your end, which can be added onto the Notion workspace. So click on select pages and simply put the title inside the search box and select the database that appears over here. So now you can see the sales report database is showing over here. Click on allow access and this will give access to the database which you have just added. So wait for a few seconds as it is going to load the database for you and then we can proceed further to add the Google document and so on. If you are not able to see the database, simply refresh it once. The database will definitely appear and then you can go ahead with adding the Google document. Sometimes it takes a little while to load all the databases and you can see the sales report database is appearing over here. Click on this and it will fetch all the database records for you. Click on next. Now we need to add a Google document for this. So click on add Google document, click on select Google document and we have this document available over here. Copy the name of the document from the top, go to document section and just put the name inside this box and search for it. You can see sales report template showing here. Click on this and click on select. So now both the document and the database have been added. We just need to map the fields of the Notion database from the right side onto the Google document in the left side one by one, and then we can generate the PDF. So first thing we need is the report period value. So let's search if we have a report period property over here. We do have that. Click on copy. It will copy the report period value. Come over to the Google document, remove this property which is not needed and use Control V or Command V on your keyboard to paste it. Okay. So make sure you use the shortcut keys Control V or Command V. We need the prepared by value. Click to copy this and simply paste it. So again use Control V or Command V to paste it. Then we have the date prepared value. So let's copy it once again and paste it over here. So we have quickly mapped three properties from the Notion database on the right side onto the Google document on the left side. Let's leave the other part. You can obviously map all the fields over here, but I'm going to go ahead with these three properties. Click on download PDF and make sure your selection is set correctly as per the export range. I'm going to go with all the rows and I'm going to generate the PDF file as per the prepared by column that we have over here. So I'm going to select prepared by in this drop down and I'm going to start the download process. So now it will generate me three PDF files, fetching the value from the report database, and it will name the files as per the prepared by column. So let's wait for the output to be processed. As you can see, we have the first file Sakshit Sangha, which is coming over here. Let me delete the other files which is not needed. Then we have Manusar Panyan and Arijit Singh. So let's open up Sakshit Sangha. And you can see all the values have been properly mapped over here. Next is we have Manusar Panyan, which is also correctly mapped. And after this we have Arijit Singh, which is also correctly mapped. So we have three records in the Notion database which has been fetched and it has been converted to PDFs using the Google document as a template file. So this is how easy it is. So add the database, add the document, map the fields and generate the PDFs. If you have any questions for this, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com or you can reach out to me with this chat bubble at the bottom. I'll be happy to help you on this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.